Hi guys, I'm the Golfing Chef, Sam, and today I've had a request of Paul Mack on YouTube to do my homemade burgers, so I hope you enjoy it, Paul, and I've got some wedges to go with it as well, so come with me and let's see what we can do. First of all, what I'm going to show you to do is wedges. So you want about 2 nice potatoes, wash them off in the water. So what you want to do is cut that in half. And you get it like that. And I'll go down the middle again, down the middle again. And you get some wedges. Or pre-cut some, put them in there. And then you want, get some olive oil, sprinkle them in there. And it's up to you what you want to put on them. So today I'm going to put some paprika on. And some mixed herbs. I probably recommend about a teaspoon of each. So you get your hands in, give them a mix. Season, bit of salt and pepper. Get a tray, line it with baking paper or greaseproof paper. And you want the wedges to go skin down. When you're doing this, preheat the oven to 200 Celsius. It needs to take about 40 minutes to 50 minutes, depending on size and how many you're doing. So just like that, skin down, and I'll put them in the oven. Now that's where they go. Now onto the big boy. I've got 300 grams of mincemeat from the local butchers in Totty Village. I went this morning to get it. But for a family, you want about 500 grams, they'll give you 4 nice burgers. So what you want with that, you want some diced onions. Well, sorry, you want half a diced onion and 2 cloves of garlic. That in there. Again, you can put some parsley in it or some mixed herbs. I'm going to put some mixed herbs in. About a teaspoon again. Bit of seasoning. You want 1 tablespoon, of lean herrings. And 1 egg. Get your hand in. We've got a good mix in. Sorry about that, that's Alfred Barker, my sous chef. Right guys, so that's all mixed in now. Just while I was off camera for a minute, I've just added a sprinkle of flour in because it's just a bit too wet for my liking. So I don't want it all splitting and stuff, because I'm going to stuff it. So I've seasoned, mixed herbs, some garlic, some onions, so we're off ready to rock and roll. So next, we're going to get your burger meat. When it's about the size of a tennis ball. And then, what you want to do is get on chopping board, squash it down so it's flat. And what you want to do, get a bit of mozzarella or cheese, whatever. And then what you want to do is fold your burger back over. So your cheese is in the middle. Get it into a ball again. And then just squeeze it down. So you have one nice chunky beef burger. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this pan on warm heat with a bit of olive oil and let it cooking. While I'm doing that, I'll just check the wedges. So I've got my pan on the heat, get a bit of olive oil. Set the pan, get the olive oil all around the pan, get the olive oil nice and hot. Pan's nice and hot now. What we're going to do is lay your burger down. Well, it's in the pan. Give it a good season. Get all the flavours working together. While that's on the go, what I'll just show you quickly is in a nice bowl, get some French cheese dressing, some mayonnaise, there. And then that will go on the base of your burger, or your burger bun, shall I say. Looking good, looking good, looking good. While that's going, what you could be doing is get yourself two nice baby gems, cut the bottom off, squash it down, nice sharp knife, one tomato, then on top of your burger that's been cooking. Field. There now. And for your burger salad, get some gherkins, if you like your gherkins. Nice thing in your burger salad. Push your burger salad to one side for now. Then what you want to do, set your burger up that you've been cooking. I'm going to stick that in the oven for a good 20 minutes, I reckon. That's in the oven. If you've still got any oil in your pan, get it stir around. And then what I've got here is some mushrooms and fried onions to go on top of my burger once it's cooked. You can have a sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. So now I've got the onions and mushrooms working together and seasoning in the same pan that your burger is in. So all your juices off your burger will go into it. Next, what you want is a nice couple rashers of bacon. Again this morning I went to Totti Butchers in the village and got some nice fresh cut bacon. He was cutting it just as I walked through the door, so I timed that well. You can be cooking all your toppings and stuff off while your burger's in the oven. And your wedges. Right guys, I've just took my bacon off now. So what we want next is a nice muffin. And get that in the pan. The well juices that come from your bacon, your onions, your mushrooms, your burger. And just crisp toast your burger up. Burger pot now is a bit of salad, my toasted bun. And then what you want is your French's dressing and your mayonnaise that you mixed in. The bottom of your bun. Burger salad. Ready to go. Right, so that's your burger salad. And a bit of side salad ready to go with your French dressing underneath. With your French's dressing underneath. So I'll be back in a few minutes after I check my burger. So as you can see guys, it's all ready to rock and roll. So the burger, the bacon, fried onions and mushrooms, topped off with bun. Some nice homemade wedges. And that is that. Hope you like what you see guys. Right guys, hope you like what you see. I've got my homemade wedges with my homemade burger stuffed with mozzarella, topped with bacon, mushrooms and fried onions. I'm going to have that for my lunch now, so I'm going to give it a try. Thanks for Paul for mentioning the burger. I hope you like what you see, Paul. Again, if you like what you see, give us a comment below. Tell me what you want me to make next. Head over to Facebook if you're UK and around the Bury area. I've got a competition going on for a meal for two for you and your loved one. It's going to have a meal that you can make. It's going to have a little dessert, a bottle of wine of your choice, red, white or rosé. If you like what you see, give us a subscribe. If you want to give that bell a little ring, that'll do as well. I'm going to say bye for now. Cheers.